Every marriage has moments of tension, moments where emotions run high, words come quickly, and hearts become guarded. But sometimes it's not the argument that causes the most damage. Sometimes it's a single phrase, a phrase so common that many couples say it without realizing the quiet destruction it causes. And once it enters a conversation, the connection begins to disappear. The phrase is simple: you are overreacting. 3 words, often spoken in frustration, sometimes meant to calm things down, but more often, those words shut down the very thing marriage needs most: emotional safety. When someone says, "You're overreacting," what the other person often hears is something very different. They hear, "Your feelings don't make sense. You're being dramatic. You shouldn't feel this way." And in that moment, the conversation stops being about understanding and starts becoming about defending. Instead of connection, the room fills with distance, because when a person feels dismissed, they don't move closer, they move away. Here's the deeper truth about conflict in marriage. Most disagreements are not really about the surface issue. They're about feeling seen, feeling heard, feeling valued. When a spouse shares frustration, sadness, or fear, they're not always asking you to fix the problem. Often, they're simply asking, "Do you care about what I feel?" And when the response is, "You're overreacting," the message received is, "No." Healthy couples understand something powerful. You don't have to agree with someone's feelings to respect them. Instead of saying, "You're overreacting," try saying something different. "I can see this really matters to you," or "Help me understand why this feels so important." Those words create space for honesty, space for compassion, space for connection. And that space is where healing conversations begin. Marriage thrives when partners feel safe enough to be fully known. That doesn't mean every emotion will make perfect sense, but love chooses curiosity over dismissal, patience over defensiveness, understanding over winning. Sometimes the smallest shift in language creates the biggest shift in connection. The truth is, every marriage will experience moments of frustration, but connection grows when we choose gentleness in how we speak. Scripture reminds us of the power our words carry. A gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. Proverbs 15:1. Gentle words create safe hearts, and safe hearts build strong marriages. Because the goal in marriage isn't just being right, it's remaining connected. Choose understanding, choose gentleness, choose connection. Many couples unknowingly say something during conflict that immediately shuts down the emotional connection. If you want a marriage where both partners feel heard, valued, and emotionally safe, this simple shift in language can make a powerful difference. If you've ever been told you're overreacting, you know how painful it can feel. And the truth is, many of us have said it without realizing the impact. Healthy marriages grow when both people feel safe expressing their emotions. What phrase or response helps you feel most understood during conflict? I want to thank you for watching. All your incredible support, your likes, shares, and comments will really make a difference. Please hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family. Your engagement helps this channel grow, and I truly appreciate it. God bless you.